When I was you don't need to know how to code anymore. But could I really recreate this game without coding and not getting frustrated?
The reason I started the AI Surfer was because of that ChatGPT moment. I don't know if you remember your first ChatGPT experience, but for me, it was completely mind-blowing.
Okay, come on, Dallas. Let's get to the point. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a new AI that is probably the coolest thing since ChatGPT. The tool is called Websim.
Buzz, wait a minute.
Okay, Genie, but why?
At first, I was totally confused on what Websim actually was. I was just playing around with all the really cool things everybody else has built, but their marketing says alternative internet, and it hit me. Basically, a simulation of the internet where everything is created by you and I, leveraging AI.
That's right. To break this down simply, imagine this. A robot that can explore websites faster than you can even blink. That's Websim AI. It dives right into the code and figures out how everything works.
The time had come. It was time to recreate my fish game. Without knowing how to code, I knew it would be a challenging task.
It took me 4 prompts to build my childhood game. This is incredible.
But it can also build entire websites for you in any style. If you want the source code, just ask it. With this simple prompt, Websim creates a button for you to grab all the code to use as you please.
I could go on and on with real use business cases, but my favorite thing I built was my own operating system. Think like an iPhone, but every app I click on, it's what I created.
You can create anything you want and share it with the world.
Dude, I even saw the old Doom game on there. This is awesome!
So what I've done is I've made a free guide on my entire research of Websim, step-by-step tutorials on everything that I know about Websim. I'll leave the link down below. I'll see you next week. Peace.